Today we're going to show you how to pair your Android device to use Android Auto in your GMC. Now we have a GMC 1500 Sierra here, so if you have this same infotainment screen, it will connect the same way. Now let's start. You can click Android Auto or the phone icon, and then you're going to select Connect Phone. And now this is when we're going to go back to our device. So you'll look for the gray cog wheel here in the settings menu, and then we're actually going to scroll down till we see Connections. And then you'll notice Bluetooth. So we're going to make sure that's turned on, and then select Bluetooth one more time here. And then we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom until you see My GMC pop up. So we're going to select that, and then next we'll get a code. So as long as the code matches, you can pair on the screen and on the phone here. Select Pair, and then it will ask you if you want to allow access to messaging. So you can click Allow there. And then allow access to contacts. In our case, we don't need to do that, so you can allow or deny that. And now you're going to wait and you'll see your Android Auto. You can select that here. And then we've got our Galaxy S10, so we'll go ahead and click that because that's the phone we're using. And then it will ask you the first time you use this to turn on location services. And since this is a demo vehicle, it may be a little bit different, but you can go ahead and enable. And then with the offline maps, you'll only get this in the demo vehicle, so you may not see that on yours. And then we're going to have Android Auto synced to our system here. So now you'll notice we'll have our Google Maps on here if you've got any music playing. As well, you can click the little icons here, and it's going to give you your messaging, your phone, Spotify, all that good stuff, and it makes it very simple. Now, if you have any other questions or need help pairing this up, feel free to reach out. We'd be happy to help you out.